what's up everybody? How you doing today? We are putting the Roomba 981 through the testing room. As you're going to see, I made a lot of different changes based off everything you guys want to see, so I appreciate all the feedback. And let me go ahead and show you real quick what changes we made, as well as I put down exactly 8 ounces of materials, which I'll show you in just a few minutes on this clip. But normal testing room. This time we have a chair, just to see how well it does around chair legs. Bunch of people said buy some fake dog poop, so here you go. Couple pieces of sheet. People want to see a shoe with the shoelace hanging out. And also a throw rug or a runner with tassels that hang off to see if that gets stuck up in the roller of the robot vacuum. Like I said, I put down the 8 ounces of Fruit Loops, Fruity Pebbles, white rice, 6 jelly beans, and sand. So after this test, we will weigh the bin, see exactly how much it picked up, how much it missed, and compare it to all the other robots we do in this test. So quite a bit more added now to this test. I'm actually happy that I went out and decided to do all this stuff. Once again, thanks to all of you for your ideas. If you have any more ideas, let me know down in the comments and I'll try to throw that in there too. A couple people said I should put this pot in like the corner. You know what, I might as well do that, why not? And we'll see if it reacts to any type of reflections or anything like that. Someone also said do this or a mirror. I don't really have a mirror that would be suitable for this as of right now. If more people want to see some sort of mirror setup, let me know down in the comments. Alright, well I think this is going to be a really good test. We're going to see a lot of stuff off of one single test. And I took the 8 ounces and just threw it out kind of wherever. So the next robot I do, I'll do the exact same way. That way it's even through all the tests. Real quick, we're also going to be running any robot vacuum in this test on its highest suction mode. We're just going to send it out, have it do its thing, and then go back. Once it's done, and we'll weigh the bin and then see exactly how it did on picking all this stuff up. If you guys can do me one huge favor, this stuff actually takes a lot of time to put together. It's a lot of work. Building this room was a ton of work. It cost money. At the very least, if you could like this video, consider subscribing. I'll probably have at least 20 different robot vacuums within the next few months. I'm going to be putting the same exact test to. I'll be getting new robots as soon as they come out. When the Roborock S7 comes out with the self-empty bin, I'll be running that through this testing room. And just a ton of stuff. So once again, I hope you guys really appreciate that. I appreciate all of you. And let's go ahead and get to the testing. Alright, I'm going to switch to the overhead. I'll start this guy up and let it do its thing. Hopefully it doesn't air out or get caught on the shoelace or anything like that. And yeah, we'll see how it does. iRobot Roomba 981. So real quick, so this is the 981's dirt bin. Completely empty. This is obviously before the test. And it weighs 13.9 ounces. So this is exactly 8 ounces of Fruity Pebbles, rice, sand, 6 jelly beans, and Fruit Loops. And I'm going to spread this throughout the entire room. See, 8 ounces. And then we will weigh it at the end, see exactly how much it picks up. And once again, we'll compare it to every single robot that I do this test with. That's funny, I did not see it pulling around the shoe until after I edited the video. Alright everybody, the Roomba 981 has completed the job, and let's take a look at how well it did. Seems like it did very good on this real thick carpet. Don't see much debris at all, a little bit here and there. But overall pretty good since that's the toughest carpet to clean. Here is the medium pile, and there's the big pile right there. Anyways, so you can see it did push around the poop a little bit, so of course with these types of robots there's no type of avoidance in the front. So if you have dog poop laying in your carpet, that'd be basically spread around this entire room. Most of the robots are going to do that exact same thing. There's only a few out there that actually have avoidance cameras or sensors built in the front. So the carpet tile looks really good. A little bit here and there, but very little left. So you can see it definitely moved the shoe around a lot. Another piece of poop. I don't watch this as a clean, so I'll have to see when I edit it, but it doesn't look like that moved very much. It did miss quite a bit right here, not exactly sure why. And the tile definitely left a good amount of rice and Fruity Pebbles over here. It's not the greatest job on tile. Then over here on the hard floor section, it looks pretty good overall as well. What really matters is how much everything weighs at the end. But I'd say overall a pretty good job, especially on the carpet. So we have thick pile, medium pile, regular thin pile, and then a big old pile. Sorry, I had to. Anyways, let's go ahead and weigh the bin. Remember, it was, I think, 13.9 ounces. Yeah, 13.9 before. There's 8 ounces of debris total. So let's see what it weighs now. £1 pound, 4.1 ounces. So let me do the math real quick. So according to my amazing math, it looks like it got 6 ounces of the 8 total. I believe that's correct. So you need 2.1 ounces to get past 1 pound, and you have 4.1 ounces on top of that pound. So yeah, 6 ounces total. So it somehow missed 2 ounces worth of debris. So I don't know if that's exactly the sand that maybe got stuck down in the carpet, if it's some of the rice that got stuck, but this is what the test is showing us. Before a future test, I will take a regular vacuum like a Dyson or something like that and vacuum everything before I start another test. That way it's fair. And the next one won't be just picking up extra debris that this one left. Alright everybody, what do you think? Is that what you expected? I thought it was actually going to get a little bit more. 6 of the 8 ounces does not seem that great. However, this is the first test I've done with actually weighing this stuff. So we'll definitely be able to tell from the other vacuums that do this test how well it does. So I will be redoing the Roborock S5 and the Roomba S9 Plus with this same test. That way we can see how it does with all these different objects and then the weight of the material as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did at all, smash that like button, subscribe. And I would love for you guys to join this channel. Let me know in the comments if you want to see anything else new, if you liked what I've done so far with this, and if you think I should add even more things. Thanks again for watching. Have an awesome day.